Hello students, how are you? So let's start with our 6th standard science subject. Students, in this video we will see, in previous video we have seen water cycle. Now in this video we are going to see about rainwater harvesting and its techniques. Rainwater harvesting. Water harvesting is the activity of collection of rainwater directly by various means. Harvested water can either be used immediately or it can be stored for later use. In Kerala and Mizoram, where it rains almost the whole year around, so small tanks are used to collect rainwater, which drains from rooftops through pipes into these tanks. This water is used directly. In a place like Delhi, where the monsoon lasts only for 3 months, it is more useful to collect rainwater as groundwater. Rainwater harvesting. The process of collecting and storing rainwater from the roofs or surface catchment is called rainwater harvesting. Storing rainwater that collects on roofs instead of letting it go down the drains is a practical solution in case of droughts. This technique is also known as rooftop rainwater harvesting. This involves collecting rainwater from rooftops, indoor ponds, vessels or underground tanks to store water for long periods. Another option is to allow the water to go into the ground directly from the roadside drains that collect rainwater. The stored rainwater is treated before use because it may contain bird feces, chemicals and other pollutants which need to be removed before use. So these are about rainwater harvesting and different techniques. The process of collecting and storing rainwater from roofs or a surface catchment, it is called rainwater harvesting. Rainwater does not always fall on the soil or water sources. In fact, much of its fall on rooftops of houses and concrete roads and thus does not become a part of a groundwater. Hence, a very important method has been devised to harvest rainwater so that it can be stored for future use. Rooftop rainwater harvesting. In this method, rainwater that falls on rooftops is allowed to pass in a storage tank through pipes. This water might be dirty and hence not fit for direct use. Hence, it can be allowed to seep directly into the ground with the help of pipes, as you can see it in the figure. Here the pipes are attached and with the help of pipes the water is going inside the ground. We must also increase the availability of groundwater, underground water. One way of increasing the availability of water is to collect rainwater and store it for later use. Collecting rainwater in this way is called rainwater harvesting. And the basic idea behind rainwater harvesting is catch water where it falls. The meaning is not different. The same meaning is that is nothing but rainwater harvesting. Catch water where it falls means wherever the water is falling, we have to catch that water means what? We have to collect together and we have to make a collection. Collection means what? We have to save it underground either by another way. Generally, the rainwater that falls in place that are mostly covered with concrete roads and buildings flows into the drains and from there it goes to the rivers or lakes. A lot of efforts will be required to get this water back into our homes as the water did not seep into the ground. Now we will see the two techniques we have seen previously also. So rooftop rainwater harvesting, as the name indicates, in this system the rainwater is collected from the rooftop to store to a storage tank through pipes. This water may contain soil from the roof, dirt and need filtering before it is used. Instead of collecting rainwater in the tank, the pipes can go through directly into the pit in the ground and this then seeps into the soil to recharge or refill the groundwater. This is one of the methods. Second is direct rainwater harvesting. Means we can also allow rainwater to go into the ground directly from the roadside drains that collect rainwater. Means in another way, underground we can collect that water. So these are the two techniques of rainwater harvesting. Children, you can see it in the figure, as the water is collected and after that through pipes we can store it in under the ground. Rainwater from the roadside get directly into the ground through pipe pits, or through pipes also we can keep it that inside the ground. Then here rainwater harvesting, here rooftop rainwater harvesting, that water is from the roof, the water is collected into pipes and it can store either in the tank or either we can keep it in the ground. Then rainwater harvesting. So over here they have shown that we have to collect the water. So in this way these are the techniques to collect the water. This is rainwater harvesting. Now students,
About
we shall watch
two-thirds of
video
Earth's
for
surface
rainwater
is
harvesting.
covered with water. However, the amount of usable water is very small. The growing population, growing industries, and agricultural practices need lot of water. The huge consumption of water is causing reduction of available water. We need to think about variety of ways to save and conserve our water resource. One of the very important preventive measure for conservation is rainwater harvesting. Basically, water come on the surface with rain. However, it gets collected in rivers which ultimately flows into the ocean, which means that the usable water is lost in the ocean. We can catch the rainwater and prevent it from flowing into the ocean. This is rainwater harvesting. There are two methods which we can use for this purpose. Rooftop rainwater harvesting. During raining, rainwater get collected in rooftop. It can be transferred to a storage tank through a pipe. Often the water contains soil particles and other impurities. In such case, water should be filtered to remove these impurities. Water stored in the storage tank can be used to fulfill our water needs. Instead of storage tank, water can also be transferred to a pit in the ground from where it seeps into the soil. The seeped water gets added to groundwater and so the level of groundwater increases. In both ways, we prevent water from flowing away. Roadside drains. Rainwater falling on roads get collected in the drains. The drains can be modified so that water entering in them gets seeped directly into the soil, or this water can be collected in storage structures such as well. So I hope you understood this video very well. Thanks for watching this video.
So students, in this way we have seen the different techniques of rainwater harvesting. I think we should also start these techniques in practical life. So thank you for watching video and keep watching video for better understanding. Thank you.